Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to convert PDFs to Word documents using WPS PDF. Whether you need to edit a PDF or repurpose its content, this quick and easy method will have you converting files in no time. Let's get started. First, open WPS Office and head to the PDF editor. If you don't already have WPS Office installed, I've included a link in the description below where you can download it for free. Please note that WPS Office is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux operating systems. Once you're in the PDF editor, open the PDF file you want to convert by clicking Open File and selecting it from your device. With your PDF loaded, look for the Convert option in the top menu. Click it and you'll see several conversion options. Select PDF to Word. Next, choose where you'd like to save the converted Word document. WPS PDF will process the file and create a fully editable Word document for you. The best part? The formatting is preserved, so you won't have to worry about redoing layouts or styles. You can be confident that your document will appear exactly as it does in PDF format. And that's it! Your PDF is now successfully converted into a Word document, ready for editing or sharing. Converting PDFs to Word with WPS PDF is that simple. No hassle, no complicated steps. In our next video, the WPS Office Beginner's Guide, we'll explore more features and tips to help you make the most of WPS Office. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.